Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're running long scripts or heavy builds and notice your terminal is cutting off the older output, you're probably hitting the default scrollback limit. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to increase your terminal buffer so you never lose your logs again. Let's get right to it. First, we need to head into your settings. You can click the gear icon in the bottom left and select Settings, or use the keyboard shortcut Control, on Windows or Command, on Mac. Once the Settings tab is open, go to the search bar at the very top and type the word Scrollback. You're looking for a specific setting labeled Terminal Integrated Scrollback. By default, Visual Studio Code usually sets this to 1,000 lines. If you're doing serious debugging or running long Python scripts, that can fill up in seconds. Go ahead and change that number to something much higher, like 5,000 or even 10,000. Keep in mind that a massive number here will use a little more of your computer's memory, but for most modern systems, 10,000 is perfectly safe and very helpful. As soon as you type the new number, VS Code saves it automatically. You don't even need to restart. From now on, your terminal will keep a much longer history of your output, allowing you to scroll back and see exactly what happened at the start of your process. And that's it. No more disappearing logs. If this quick tip helped you out today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have any other VS Code terminal tricks you want me to see, and I'll catch you in the next one.